Have you ever wondered what it feels like when the crypto market comes alive after a long nap? Well, let me tell you a tale of how Bitcoin and not seen friends woke up from their slumber and danced to some sweet music. It started with a surprise announcement, softer than expected U.S. inflation data. Investors held their breath as they watched the digital asset world stir from its sleep. And just like that, they broke free from its $65,000 prison, reaching heights not seen with late April. It was a sight to behold. Today, Ethereum followed suit, although not quite as enthusiastically, changing hands near $3,000 with a 4% increase. But the real stars of the show were Solana and Near, which leaped onto the scene with impressive 8% and 12% jumps respectively. The entire market rejoiced as the CoinDesk 20 index rose by a whopping 6%. Why the sudden excitement? The April U.S. Consumer Price Index showed a slight dip compared to March, along with a somewhat lackluster retail sales report. These reports brought relief to investors who had feared that rampant inflation and an overheated economy would lead the Fed to abandon its dovish stance and contemplate raising interest rates. An analyst at Bitfinex explained this is considered a bullish regime shift, as it marks the first decrease in CPI inflation over the last 3 months. And adding further fuel to the fire, the Fed had already announced plans to slow down its balance sheet reduction. A perfect storm for growth, if you ask us. And traditional markets joined the party too, with the S&P 500 climbing more than 1%, setting yet another record high. It seemed that risk appetite had returned full force. Swissblock analysts noted that Bitcoin's breakthrough from its recent downtrend was significant. They eagerly anticipated a potential rally towards $69,000 initially, with ambitious eyes set on the $84,000 market. As for altcoins, they vowed to keep pace, following closely behind their leader. And so they have a thrilling comeback for our beloved cryptocurrencies. With that said, thank you for joining me on this journey through the enchanting world in crypto. Until next time. Oh, here's a little joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Isn't that a gas?